Okay, right now I'm going to show how to install our BT907 on this kind of tie rod for a hammer. Hammer has only two kind of tie rods, 40 millimeters and 60 millimeters. Right now I'm going to show on 60 millimeters, and our Bellow works in both. So I'm going to show you on the big one to see that it works perfectly, and it will work also on 40 millimeters. Even when our diameter and our Bellow is showing that it's smaller, right now I will show you how easy it is to install. Once you have the tire ready, you just put a little bit of grease around here in order to install. Once you already put install, since our Bellow has enough elasticity to be installed, you just go ahead and try to put it on, install it, slide it, goes easily until reach the place where it has to sit originally, and it will be there. And see, right now it sits exactly where it has to be, and see, it just works perfect. And that's it. After that, it just needs to be clamped, and that's it. That's how easy to install it.